Damn, I hate being sober. I'm a smoker. Afraid I won't drink
Are they serenading Paul George right now?
I think they might. David Stern just vetoed the Chris Paul trade. Are you kidding me?
What's good, y'all? It's Advanced Isolation and welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be bringing you guys another video, and I'm gonna be starting a new series called According to Fanbase. And today we're gonna be doing my league. The team we're doing is the Lakers, Los Angeles Lakers, and it's been like an ongoing joke with the Laker fan base, how they think they could just sign anybody. You know, like they forget that sometimes that there's a thing called cap space and a luxury tax. But that's not what we're going to be doing here. We're actually going to go inside the minds of a typical Lakers fan and forget anything about a salary cap, and forget anything about a hard cap, and forget anything about trade logic. And yeah. We're about to enter the minds of the Los Angeles fan base, and let's see where it gets us. Rookie, obviously, because don't forget, because when you're the Lakers fan base, you forget all the responsibilities that come with, you know, coaching a team. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you guys want me to do more these type of videos, let me know. So let's get right into this Los Angeles Lakers fan base. Let's see how hard or how easy this will be. I honestly think this will be easy because this is the wet dream of a Lakers fan. Staff signing, of course, we're gonna have Luke Walton, the God. Assistant coach is gonna be Trent Peterson. We're gonna sign him up. He about to become a free agent anyways. Everybody's becoming a free agent. What the hell? We're gonna trade Lou all day to the Suns. And we have the first round draft pick now. Okay, so Doncic. We got Doncic. Team player options. Brandon Ingram, Lonzo. Of course, you can't have the Lakers without triple B's. Kuzma. Josh Hart, forget him. All these other guys don't matter. LeBron James declined, obviously. He does not want to stay in Cleveland. Qualifying offers. Julius Randle. We're going to sign Julius Randle. And here we go, free agency. So, this is where so LeBron James does fit our system. This is the mind of a Lakers fan base. It's gonna go crazy. Kevin Durant's coming to the Lakers, no problem, baby. We're about to have a major haul. Lonzo is not starting a single day in his life because we. Are you kidding me? LeBron, what the hell? No, this can't be possible. This can't be possible. Damn it. I'm sorry, Brandon, but I need LeBron James. Baby, I'm coming. LeBron. Not officially on the roster. Don't worry, Chris Paul is coming to the Rocket. I mean the Lakers. We're gonna sign him up on that max deal. Klay Thompson. No, Paul George. How can you forget Paul George coming to that sunny sunshine LA scenery.
I think, and he got a huge ovation when he was introduced during the starting lineups tonight.
Paul George to the Lakers. That's what's up, Jordan, baby. Now Whiteside. That's what's up. Whiteside to the Lakers. Are you kidding me? You decided to go to the bummy Suns instead of getting this free ring. Are you kidding me? Don't worry. Damn, Katie looking good in that purple and yellow. I sound like a. Oh my god. Okay. Big baller boys. Don't worry, LeBron. You're coming with us. Okay, see. Oh hell no. Not in my Lakers fantasy. Nope. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to declines to wave. Do you want to force? You're gonna. You're coming to the Lakers. Oh my god. You don't want to be there. I'm fine. They forced me here. Oh my god. LeBron, Durant, Paul, George. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Look, Chris and Paul George. That's kind of dope. Wait a minute. I just noticed something. Chris, Paul. Like, look at the first names. Chris, Paul. And then look at Chris Paul's last name. Paul George. Oh my god. They're meant for each other.
Yo, you wanna come out here?
If you can see already, the fan interest is off the charts, and the bandwagon's getting quite heavy. We have LeBron James, Kevin Durant, Chris Paul, Paul George, Hassan Whiteside, Dwight Howard, Tyreek Evans, and Triple B's. I told you Lonzo ain't gonna start this year. Lonzo is not starting. He's not playing a game. He ain't doing nothing. So 7 pace and space. I told you, pace and space. Everybody likes that. So, this is the Lakers. This is the Los Angeles Lakers. Okay, I'll take that. I don't even care about Donnie. Donnie's trash.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Yes, indeed. Small forward. Shooting guard, power forward. Now we're in the trenches. We're about to have the deepest bench ever. Welcome to the club, Porzingis. So Porzingis is on the Porzingis is on the Lakers. Clippers, and that's a 31 streak. Steph Curry is the MVP. Michael Porter's Rookie of the Year. How is Curry rookie? How is Curry MVP? That's crazy. We had all the All-Stars and Steph Curry is the MVP. And then Paul George is 6th man. Whoa, he was 6th man. What? And defensive players Antetokounmpo and Coach of the Year is of course Luke Walton. We are 80-2. This is the Lakers' dream. I'm surprised. How is nobody on the Los Angeles Lakers on NBA first team? That's stupid. But we're just gonna simulate this round. 2, 3. Yeah, Thunder's being swept. We playing the Portland Trailblazers. The only person that beat us once. 3, 4. What? Oh, the Warriors lost? We got Durant, Porzingis, James, George, Paul, Whiteside. We're unstoppable. We don't gotta worry about nothing. We live in the Lakers' dream. Yeah, y'all getting swept. And then we're playing the process. Who does the process got? The process got Covington, Rozier. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Welcome to the Lakers' dream, baby. Welcome to the Lakers' dream. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swept. LeBron James is the averaging 17 points per game. Wow. Everybody gotta share the ball. But yeah, team full of egos won. The Lakers are 80-2. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more of this type of series. According to the fan base, I'm gonna see what other fan bases are kind of delusional. But make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
Pop hurt, yeah. Come on, let's go.